Welcome to the Big Challenge. This tutorial will guide you through assigning and managing colleague rights. Log into your teacher account and go to the My School tab to access your school dashboard. In the left-hand menu, click on Colleagues to see a list of all registered teachers in your school. Each entry includes the teacher's name, assigned classes, role, and account status. Click on a colleague's name to view their details. Their role will be listed as either admin or teacher. An admin is the school's Big Challenge coordinator. Admins have more access to make changes on an administrative level and can modify teacher permissions. Teachers, on the other hand, can only access the classes assigned to them. You can see permissions and their statuses. From this page, an admin can allow a teacher to manage the various aspects of the contest. With the Update subscription right, you can change the format of contests and the number of students participating in the contest. With the Manage Student Licenses right, you can assign licenses to students. With the Manage the Contest right, you can access the contest materials. With the See the Statistics and Documents right, you can check the statistics and access the requested documents. With the Manage the Contest right, you can download contest materials and upload answer sheets. You can click on the button that appears before the permission to toggle its status. That's it. Now you know how to view and manage the permissions of a colleague in the Big Challenge. Thank you for watching, and happy teaching.